Today is a big day for me. It's announcement day. I'm heading from MTC in Woking up to Bicester Heritage, where the Formula E team is based. McLaren have very kindly given me an Artura to use today, so I'm super excited. In fact, here she is. This is what I'm going to be transporting myself to Bicester Heritage in. Exciting. What a gorgeous car. Let's do it. And this is such an iconic road. So to be here is genuinely amazing. It's something that I've wanted to do for a long period of time. So to call myself a McLaren driver now feels amazing. Here we are, Bicester. Morning. Come on in. Thank you.
Look who it is. Mate. Nice whip.
Company car.
That's the best company car ever, mate. You're good?
How's it going? You good?
Yeah,
Good to see you.
Mate. And you? And you?
Right, come on then, show me around. I want to see where everything is.
Come on in.
We got races to win next season. Let's go.
This is like the showpiece entrance. And we got like a little showpiece sort of shelving unit, I guess.
That's our mission for this year.
We got to fill it more. We got to fill it more. Like
it's not busy enough.
XE car. Would you ever go in one of these?
Yeah, why not?
I think I'd have a go on like tarmac.
No, you'd want to have a go off road, wouldn't you? Just for a bit of fun. We'd be terrible.
I reckon we'd roll it instantly. Right, should we go and have a look at race space?
Yes, let's do it.
There's where the magic happens.
So mate, you good? Good to see you. Yeah, not too bad. My tub is still looking lovely.
Well, they look like they're in meetings, but we'll go and poke our head in. Hello.
Racing drivers, racing drivers.
Hello.
Racing drivers.
That's money in there, that's finance.
Should we just go in there and beg? Please, sir.
It's not shocking.
Oh, it's coffee. I can confirm it's coffee.
Should we crack down to MTC?
Yep. You driving now?
My turn, isn't it?
Your turn to drive, yeah.
My turn. Thought it was locked then. Right. How do I turn it on? Right. Off we go.
For the bus.
Think you answer.
Boss, come on.
Come on. We know you're on a beach.
There he is. Just wanted to say hi and thanks for having me on board, and we'll speak to you soon.
Look at this.
Where do you reckon Zach parks?
Oh, he's coming down the lift, I think. There he is.
How's it going? You good? Good to see you. Yeah, not too bad.
Where is it? Yeah, all good.